everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add people on BeReal. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To add people on BeReal, open up your BeReal application first and make sure that you are logged in. Soon after you're logged in, you'll be able to see this interface. Tap on Add Friends button and now search for the person's name at the top in order to find the person's profile. Once you're done, you'll be able to see the search results right beneath. Go ahead and find the friend you'd like to add and tap on the Add button right next to their profile. Soon after you do that, you have successfully sent a friend request to the person. If none of your friends are on BeReal and you'd like to invite them, tap on the Invite Friends on BeReal button right beneath the search box. Now, send the invitation via SMS or using any of the social networking sites. Select a friend you'd like to invite and you'll be able to see that your message has been typed in. Tap the Send button to send the invitation to that someone, and that is how you'll be able to add or invite a friend on BeReal. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.